Hello there, dope coders. I hope you all doing fine. We're going to proceed in our Python tutorial series. In the last video, we saw integers, and we've discussed that integers do not accept decimals. They can be either positive, negative, have unlimited length. Whatever digits you want to put here, just put them. It doesn't matter. Even a zero can be an integer. Why not? In today's video, we're going to be talking about floats. So if you didn't see the last video, I suggest you go back and watch it so you stay in the loop. Well, floats are basically sort of the same like integers. They are at the same time opposite to them. Like for example, we said that integers do not accept decimals. Floats do. Numbers that are can be considered as floats are like well, let's some examples. 1 divided by 4, that's a float. Also, like for example 1.6, that's a float. For whatever number you can think of, just well, look at this variable name, how strange. Alright, 3 point something, that's also a float. And let's print some examples here. Alright, if you like for example want to make sure that this is a float, and this is a float and this is a float, all you have to do, as you might have guessed it, we just have to print the type of the variable we have right here. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. Here it is. If I hit Ctrl B, I see that it's a float. I guess you got the point. Floats are sort of like integers. The only difference here is that floats accept decimals. Here you can put a dot here, and whatever digits you put here doesn't matter. But if you have like numbers just like this is an integer, and that's what we discussed in the previous video. So this is it. Floats are integers but with decimals. That's all what you need to take from this video. Well, that's it. Thanks very much for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a like. If you did not like it, give it a dislike, and see you in the next video.